We have 17 more. Oh, it's a video.
Look how big they are.
That's 5 marshmallows.
Where's a regular marshmallow?
Okay, really quick, zoom in.
Marshmallows.
This is gonna be 7 of them.
No shit, chill out.
This is gonna be 7.
Marshmallow.
Ooh, it smells like fire.
Regular marshmallow?
This is gonna be the next tower.
That's what they looked like before and then after.
No, this is the next tower. That one was a slightly less smartly built tower.
In there.
This one has 3 legs.
Everybody
It'll be hard for this one to fall. This will be a successful one.
A successful.
Yeah, hot plate, hot plate.
Okay, put them in there.
We just already tipped them over. Shit. No, we won't play this game anymore. I was like, man, throw it all in there. It's not even working.